Hi everyone, I'm Vijay Kumar and welcome back to Vijay Automates Finance. In today's video, part of our collections automation series, I will show you how to automatically create a running email draft items in your Outlook using just Excel and simple VBA script. As a finance professional, we spend hours sending a manual follow-up for overdue invoices. What if I told you that just one click you can send dozens of personalized payment reminders automatically to the customer? Let me dive into it. You can see in my screen in the Excel right now what I'm having is customer name, email address, invoice number, and amount due. So like this right now it is, for example, I have taken five customers. If we have 100 of customer, it is very difficult to send one by one email to each customer. How to simplify that? Let me show you. Before that, I will show you my Outlook. You can see Outlook, then the draft item, it is showing zero item right now. So you can see here zero item. So let me start with the VBA code so that it will help you to create your own script. So let me start here. So let me start with sub create running email drafts. Open and close bracket, and then give name. We need a Outlook application as the object. Then what else we need? We need a mail item. Then we need a Excel file as worksheet. Then we need to run a macro till the last row along. Then we can do along till the end. Then I need, what else we are having in Excel is that customer name, it is a string. Then what we have is email address, email ID, and the string. Then what we have is invoice number. We have invoice number, string. Then what else we have? We have amount due. Amount due. So these all things what we have in the Excel. What else we need? We need to create a subject line. So then we need to type a body of the text. So in that we need to set a worksheet. Worksheet for that is equal to set. Yes, so we need a dot sheets. In that I have sheet 1, that is I have the data in that particular sheet. If you want, we can change that sheet name here. Then we can do is we need the application, that is set up Outlook application. To set that we need set look app, go to get object. So yeah, right now, now application. So it will be keep going like that. So let me finish creating this and will come back to you as quickly, or else it will be a very time consuming for the viewers. So you can see here I have created. Now you can see in this these are all columns, headers, whatever row we have in the Excel, and we have connected to the Outlook. Then which row, what details we have, that details are updated, and the body of the email, what should be there, that one I have created. Then it need to save in a draft. So that is what I have created. Now let me save this and let me run. So you can see before running it, you can see in Outlook there's the zero draft item. So let me go and run it now so we can see whether it works fine or not. Here the run button. If I click on run, it is showing a message here. All the emails have been saved successfully. So let me click on OK. Let me show you the Outlook here. You can see emails are created. You can read emails as you can see here, dear ABC Corporation, this is a gentle reminder that in my number INV 1001 is still unpaid. The outstanding amount of XYZ and kindly arrange the payment earlier to show and your XYZ collection thing. Also, you can see there are 5 emails. What I've created, 5 drafts is created right now. So just you need to click on send button. So this is what I have today. That's it for today. Again, there are a lot many things we can explore here. We can attach invoice copy along with this. Also, we can include a table of the invoice details. We can do a lot many things we can explore. If you are interested those kind of things, let me know in the comment section so that I will guide you in this. So that's it for today. Keep watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next video.